What's up, guys? It's Todd from Hey Grill Hey. I'm not Hey Grill Hey. Susie's Hey Grill Hey, but I work with Susie and we're Hey Grill Hey. And I thought things were getting a little too easy for old Suze, so I thought it was time for the old chop challenge thing where we kind of use a secret ingredient and see if we can, you know, flex her creative muscles a little bit. So let's go check my garage freezer and see what we got in there for. Garage freezer. I have to put this little clip on here because it stays open sometimes and we lose all our meat. Oh, all right, we got all sorts of stuff here. Turkey breasts, chicken thighs, pork chops, beef shank. What's this? Oh my gosh, I got it. Kangaroo. I forgot what this is. I think it's a tenderloin. Kangaroo tenderloin. That's it, let's go. She will have no idea what to do with this. Hey, Suze.
These make me so nervous.
I found you something good.
Okay.
You ready?
I don't know.
Do you want to do it?
I want to do it. Oh, it's meat.
That's good.
That's good. I love meat.
Any guesses?
I'm comfortable with meat. Where did you get it from?
The internets.
Okay. It looks gamey. It looks really lean. I would say if it came from our freezer, I know we have some deer, I know we have some elk, I know we have some bison, and all of those would kind of give me this like dark red, beautiful color. I would guess this is elk.
Okay.
I would guess it's elk.
You're way off.
And if it's elk, that's exciting to me because I feel like I can do some really delicious things, but it's not elk. What is it?
Kangaroo!
Oh, we had kangaroo in the freezer.
You ordered it.
I forgot it was in there. Okay, so are they, no, we ordered like, these are like tenderloins, yes? Like, okay. Okay,
one rule.
What? Oh, there's rules?
Yes, no other protein allowed with this.
No bacon?
Nope.
No sausage?
No.
Okay.
But the other rule is that you can use anything from the pantries that we have.
Okay.
Because we have a studio kitchen and a house kitchen.
Is there a time limit?
No.
Okay, I can do this. Are you ready?
Another rule is that it has to taste delicious or else
Deal.
I will not eat it.
Deal.
Because it's weird.
All right.
No offense, Australian friends.
Get out of here, I'm ready to start cooking. I already have ideas. I've had 2 seconds to process that I'm gonna be cooking these kangaroo tenderloins, but I already have some amazing ideas. When I looked at it, when I smelled it, I truly thought this was elk meat, and my mind instantly went to a beautiful smoked venison steak recipe that I have on my website. It has a smoked cherry sage butter. It works so well. The only problem is I don't have cherries and I don't have sage, and I'm not allowed to go to the store. So I'm gonna hit my fridge and my pantry and see what I have. I know I have some fresh herbs. I know I have some dried fruit, and I think I can make some swaps to still make that recipe with what I have on hand. But I'm gonna season these with beef rub, get them onto the smoker about 225 degrees. And then for my butter, I'm gonna mix the butter, garlic, herbs, the dried fruit, get it onto the smoker next to these and let that melt down and pick up some of that smoke flavor. And then we'll see how it turns out. Also, added bonus, I know that venison is one of Todd's favorite recipes that I ever have made. That's on my website. He looks forward to us having elk in our freezer all the time and deer. So I think he's going to love this one. And it's super simple to prep. I didn't find everything with the original recipe, but I found enough. I've got a couple of swaps, so I'm gonna go a whole stick of butter, about 4 cloves of minced garlic, and then I've got a handful of fresh thyme. I'm just gonna take the leaves and get those in my butter, and then I did not have dried cherries, but I had some cranberries, and I think that will taste fabulous with what we've got going on here. I'm gonna season my kangaroo. I can't believe I'm making kangaroo tenderloins. This is amazing. With my beef rub, my original recipe for the venison calls with salt and pepper, but this is a great salt and pepper with a little bit extra. And then I've preheated, I'm gonna run these on my pellet smoker. My pellet smoker to about 250. I don't know exactly how long these will take, but I do know they're great. Kangaroo's great at like medium rare. So if I run these to like 130 to 135, we should be good to go. I'm estimating those take probably about 40 to 45 minutes. To the smoker. All right, Todd, I did my very best. I tried to cook something that I felt like you would like, even though we've never tried kangaroo tenderloin before. But
From the freezer garage. Garage freezer.
Garage freezer. I am optimistic. It should be a beautiful medium rare. Look at that.
Okay.
I mean, it's juicy. The color inside looks absolutely gorgeous.
It looks like beef.
I think it looks like venison. I think it looks like a really beautiful deep red. And if it tastes like just that light gaminess, I'm okay with that. You know what I'm saying?
I'm nervous.
You did this.
I know, but listen, you bought it. I didn't choose to buy it. I just found it in the freezer. I forgot I'd have to taste it.
Smoked, sliced, kangaroo tenderloin.
Garlic?
With a smoked cherry sage.
Not cherry.
Butter, but it's not cherry or sage. A smoked cranberry thyme butter, because we were calling an audible. But the cranberries got like all plump from poaching in that smoky butter. This made my mouth water, to be honest with you. Ready, set?
I'm getting so much garlic and cherry.
Okay. Cheers. Tender, juicy.
It's so good. It's like lamb, venison, elk, beef. It's like a delicious mix of all those flavors.
So it has a little bit of funk to it, but it's cleaner. We had the kangaroo ground meat, lot more funk. This tenderloin has a much cleaner flavor profile to it. It's earthy, I would say, more than funky. And that earthiness with the thyme works so well together, but then you get the lift from the cranberries and garlic.
I would say
fatty butter.
It's marsupially.
Brings it all together. Dude, that is delicious. I'm going back for bite number 2. Listen, I'm gonna call this mystery bag challenge a success, a big win. And if you ever find yourself with a kangaroo tenderloin, give this one a try.
Don't pass it up.
We'll see you guys next time. Hop on it. Hop to it.